Picture this. You're craving something starchy, buttery, and downright irresistible, but plain old potatoes just aren't cutting it. Enter Yuca al Mojo, a Latin classic that's here to flip your dinner game upside down. Oh, and yes, we're using frozen yuca because who has time to peel and chop all that from scratch? Life's too short. First things first, grab a pot big enough to make pasta for a family of 6 because yuca needs space to dance around while it cooks. Fill it with salted water and bring it to a rolling boil, like a wild jacuzzi for root veggies. Toss in your frozen yuca chunks and let them cook for about 25 to 30 minutes until they're fork tender. And listen, don't just jab it once and call it done. It needs to be soft but still holding its shape. Drain them and gently, I said gently, pick out any tough, stringy bits from the center. Set the yuca aside to chill for a sec. Heat up about 1/3 of a cup of good olive oil in a skillet. None of that bargain bin stuff, okay? When the oil is shimmering like a summer mirage, toss in your minced garlic. Let it sizzle for about a minute until your kitchen smells like heaven, but don't walk away. Garlic burns faster than gossip at a family barbecue. Next, add some thinly sliced onions and saute until they're soft and sweet, about 3 to 4 minutes. At this point, your neighbors might start knocking on the door wondering what smells so good. Now for the magic, stir in fresh lime juice. That zesty punch wakes up the whole sauce. Sprinkle in a good pinch of salt to tie it all together. Here comes the fun part. Pour that glorious sauce all over the cooked yuca. Make sure every piece gets coated in that garlicky goodness. Don't be shy. Let it soak up all that flavor. Now for the grand finale, garnish it with either fresh parsley or green onions depending on your vibe. Parsley keeps it classy, while green onions add a little sass. Your choice. Serve it up warm and watch everyone at the table fight for seconds. This dish goes with everything: grilled chicken, steak, or honestly just a fork and your undivided attention. And there you have it, your new favorite side dish, Yuca al Mojo. Don't forget, the full written recipe is waiting for you at kelvinskitchen.com. Go check it out.